Okay, welcome. So today we're going to be exploring the varying pathways that you, your family, friends can migrate to another part of the world. Now, this pathway varies from one part of the world to the other. Europe, UK, Canada, US, name them. Now, there are three known pathways that are common to this part of the world, which are the study permit or the study visas, the work permit or the skilled worker visas, or the tourist or the visitors visas. Now, in subsequent videos, we're going to be delving into these pathways one after the other and also delving into them, looking at them from different parts of the world. All right. So, but the other pathways that I would like to introduce to you today, or you may already know but not totally understand, is one of them is called the digital nomad. Now, this is one pathway that most persons do not really know or understand its implications. And I'm very sure that you listening to me right now, this is probably the first time that you're hearing about it. Now, we're going to delve into this more in other subsequent videos, but let me give you an idea. Now, a digital nomad is a person who works remotely and can prove that they earn a certain amount based off on the requirement of that particular country. Now, if you're a remote worker and you can prove that you have enough income and that you have health insurance, then you can apply to a country which allows this type of visas to allow you to come live there for certain periods of time. Now, this type of visa can even be extended to a resident permit or even a permanent visa. So it means that you're a remote worker and you can work from any part of the world and you want to explore other cultures and other regions, but you have a means to take care of yourself and insurance and can prove the same to these countries. Now, when I'm treating this individually, I'm going to be giving you a list of the countries that allows for this type of visas and the requirements that they need. Also, there are what you call specialized passes. Now, what does this mean? It means different countries have different an extra route for you to enter into their country. For instance, there are lotteries, scholarships, programs, different parts of the world. For example, there are scholarship programs such as Chevening and the likes, which is common to the UK. There is the American Visa Lottery and many more. In Singapore, there's what you call the One Pass and the Enter Pass, which then brings us to the next pathway to enter or migrate to other parts of the world, which is as an investor or a business owner. Now, what this means is I have money and I'm looking to invest into other countries, and then you invest to countries which have visas for investors who, when you invest, it gives you a residency. In some cases, citizenship. So in other words, you're practically aiding the economy, and in return, they're compensating you or would like you to be part of their country. That is in layman terms. Now we're going to be delving into this more and giving you more insights into this pathway. Now, another pathway that we also have to look into is the family relocation visa. Now, Germany have what you call the family reunion. For example, when you have a family member who's already based in the country and you like to join them, it could be a parent, it could be a child, it could be a spouse. Germany, the United Kingdom, the US offer this as a route for you to enter into the country. Some will allow extended family, while others will only allow for immediate family. Now we're going to explore all of these pathways and more in our subsequent videos. You may want to stick around. See you in the next one.